Hello WordCrafters, and welcome back to the channel where we make English learning magical. Today, we're rediving into the wizarding world to cast one of the most powerful and iconic spells, Expecto Patronum. But have you ever noticed that how you say it can totally change its vibe? Is your Patronus charm more like Harry Potter's, Hermione Granger's, or maybe even a wizard from Bangkok? Let's find out. We all know the spell. It's the one that conjures a guardian of pure, positive energy to drive away dementors. But the magic isn't just in the wand movement, it's in the words. Pronunciation, intonation, and accent all play a huge role in how we communicate, and this spell is the perfect example. We're going to explore 3 distinct pronunciations. A classic British one, a more casual American take, and a fantastic Tinglish version. By the end of this ULL, not only be a master of the Patronus charm, but also have a much better ear for the subtle music of the English language. So grab your wands or just your voice and let's begin. First up, let's channel our inner chosen one, Harry Potter, with the quintessential British pronunciation. When you think of Hogwarts, you likely hear this elegant, crisp accent. Let's break it down. The key is in the vowels. In expecto, the O sound is a pure, long O, almost like you're saying the letter O itself. Expecto, feel that. It's rounded and formal. Now for patronum. The A sound is like the A in father patronum. Notice the stress is on the second syllable traw. It's given a bit more force and length. Let's hear it again, patronum. The British accent tends to be very precise with its consonants, so make sure you pronounce that T and M clearly. Let's put it all together now with feeling. Think of your happiest memory. Ready, Expecto Patronum. It sounds powerful, dignified, and steeped in tradition, doesn't it? Like something you'd hear echoing through the Great Hall. It has a certain gravity to it. Practice that a few times. Get that O in expecto and that R in patronum just right. Feel the magic building. Excellent. Now, let's hop across the pond to the United States. How would an American exchange student at Hogwarts cast this spell? The American accent tends to be a bit more relaxed and the vowel sounds can shift quite a bit. Let's start with expecto. Instead of that long, rounded O sound, you'll often hear a flatter, shorter OO. It's more like expecto. It's quicker. The emphasis is still there, but the vowel itself is less drawn out. The biggest change, however, is in patronum. Remember the British R sound in pet in many American accents. This becomes a flat A sound, the same AUD find in the word cat or pat, so it's patronum. Notice the difference. Patronum versus patronum. It's a subtle but distinct shift. Also, the stress pattern can feel a little more even sometimes. Let's try the full spell with an American flair. Imagine you're a wizard from New York, Expecto Pat. It sounds a little more casual, more direct, right? Less formal than its British counterpart, but just as effective against dementors. The pronunciation doesn't change the spell's power, but it certainly changes its personality. Let's do a quick side-by-side. British, Expecto Patronum. American, Expecto Patronum. Can you hear that difference in the A and O sounds? It's fascinating. All right, now for a truly magical twist. Let's travel to the enchanting land of Thailand. English is spoken widely in Thailand, and it has its own unique and beautiful rhythm. The Thai English accent is heavily influenced by the phonology of the Thai language, which is a tonal language. This means the pitch of your voice can change the meaning of a word, and this musicality often carries over into English. So, how would a Thai wizard say Expecto Patronum? The first thing you might notice is the intonation. There's often a rising tone at the end of phrases, making it sound very friendly and melodic. For expecto, the consonants might be a little softer. The X might sound more like an S sound, expecto, and the O at the end might rise in pitch. Expecto, can you hear that upward inflection? Now, for patronum, the Thai language doesn't have the TR sound cluster in the same way, so it might be simplified to a T sound, patronum, and again you'll hear that beautiful rising pitch, especially on the final syllable, patronum. Let's put it all together. It's musical, it's light, and it's full of charm. Expecto Patronum. It sounds incredibly cheerful, doesn't it? Like you're casting a spell that's not just powerful, but also genuinely happy. This is a perfect example of how our native language shapes the way we speak a second language, creating a unique and valid version of it. It's not wrong, it's just different and, in this case, wonderfully melodic. So, we've journeyed from the hallowed halls of Hogwarts to the bustling streets of New York and the vibrant markets of Bangkok, all through one magical phrase. Let's do a grand recap and hear them one after the other to really appreciate the differences. First, the classic British pronunciation. Notice the long O and the R vowel. It's precise and formal. Expecto Patronum. Second, the casual American version. Listen for the flatter A, as in cat, and the slightly quicker pace. It's direct and modern. Expecto Patronum. And third, the melodic, Tinglish version. Pay attention to the rising intonation and the softer consonants. It's musical and friendly. Expecto Patronum. 3 accents, 3 different flavors, but all conjuring the same powerful magic. What does this teach us? It shows that there isn't just one correct way to speak English. The language is a living, breathing thing that is shaped by the millions of people who speak it all over the world. Each accent has its own history, its own music, and its own unique charm. Whether you sound like Harry, a wizard from Illinois, or a mage from Chiang Mai, your voice is valid. The goal of communication isn't to sound like a specific person. It's to be understood and to express yourself. Embracing these variations makes the English language richer and more interesting for everyone. So, be proud of your accent. It's a part of who you are, and it adds your own personal magic to the words you speak. And now, the magic is in your hands. I challenge you to create your own Patronus charm. We want to hear how you say Expecto Patrono. Do you have a Spanish accent? A French one? Japanese? Australian? We want to hear them all. Record a short video of you casting the spell in your own unique accent. Be proud of it. Own it. Once you've recorded it, post it on your favorite social media platform, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, wherever, and make sure to use the hashtag #WordCraft, PATRONUS, and tag our channel at WordCraft English. We will be watching and will feature some of our favorites in an upcoming community video. Let us create a global chorus of Patronus charms and celebrate the incredible diversity of the English language together. Thank you so much for joining me on this magical linguistic adventure today. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination, and every voice adds to its beauty. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Until then, stay curious, keep practicing, and may your Patronus always be strong. Bye for now.